Now that we understood what's an IDE and the purpose of it, let us now download the Eclipse IDE, which is preferred to write the Java programs. So let us type downloads, download Eclipse for Windows. We are doing it for the Windows system. Windows, Eclipse downloads. And if you scroll down, you will find this tab, Get Eclipse IDE 2021 and 09. This is what which we need to download. Click on downloads and an exe file gets downloaded. I have it already on my system. I have downloaded it. And this is a file which you can see. This is Eclipse install JRE Win64. This is a file which gets downloaded. Now let us execute this code. Let us double click it. Let us go for Eclipse IDE for Java down install. We are trying to open it. Launch. So I already had a work space. So it is asking me to continue. Workspace was written with an older version. Continue and update workspace, which may make it incompatible with older versions. I already had a workspace, Eclipse already. So I changed the workspace name here. This is the welcome page. Let's close it. So this is how our Eclipse IDE looks like. And in the forthcoming sessions, we will start using the Eclipse IDE to write our Java programs. Thank you.